What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back, and I got this brand new band for the Samsung Galaxy Active 2. It's by the company Goseth, and today we're going to talk a little bit about this. So let's check it out. So when you first get your Samsung Galaxy Active, it comes with this silicone 20mm band. So I took that off right away because I wanted a more premium experience. Now I picked this up. So this right here is a stainless steel mesh watch band, 20mm, and it's for the Samsung Galaxy Active. So it fits to any wrist size. You're just gonna take this out and do it like that. And then you have this magnet that clasps, and boom, there you go. It doesn't hinder your charging any. It actually works on the same spring-loaded pin activity as the other watch. You just have to load your own pin on this one. That was the only headache that I found with this watch. Loading that pin was a little difficult. But once you get it on, you're just gonna do it like that. Release the magnet down bottom. The magnet is extremely strong though. Let me see, I may need a little help from my other hand. Boom, there we go. So release that magnet, bring it around, and then kind of just adjust it from there. So there we go. So we kind of just adjust it from there, but you put it pretty much to how you like your fit. It's a nice watch band. It's not going to cost you that much money. I think I paid like 12 bucks for this watch band, but it's stainless steel. That's going to help out because it's not going to, you don't have to worry about it rusting when you go in the water, seeing that this watch is waterproof. But this is the kind of case it comes in. When you open it, this is what you get. You get your little accessory service card, and you get some pins. You get like 3 pins. There's an extra pin in there. So I use the first 2. That's just an extra one. But that's all you get down in there. And then you just install it and you wear it. So they make watch bands for all of these different types of watches. You can check them out on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link below. But until next time, guys, this has been my review. This is a watch band you can just pick up. There are not a whole lot of options out there, but I found this one and I liked it a lot. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.